How old are you?
I'm 36.
You're 36 years old, so you needed to come here today and have her tell you need to behave in jail?
No, ma'am.
And we don't have punks like you acting like this and treating us this way when we're at our job.
When this reckless punk pushed for a lower bond, the judge exposed his jail threats and shut that request down instantly.
The first one is April 22nd of 2025. The second one is April 26th of 2025. And there's a new evading arrest or detention with previous convictions from August 5th of 2025 that has now been indicted. And Ms. Holmes has filed motions in the first two cases asking that I reduce Mr. Hancock's bonds, which are currently set at $100,000. It looks like there was a court date on July 22nd of 2025 that Mr. Hancock missed. Before that, there was an AFRS that was filed by the bondsman to get off the bond.
He's habitual on this continuing violence against the family case. He has a total of, I believe, 10 prior felonies.
Apparently, Mr. Hancock did go to the hospital in July, which I believe at the time he did provide that documentation to the bondsman. I'm not sure if he was aware that an AFRS had been filed at that point. He is aware that he needs to behave in the jail.
Really? You're aware of that?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are you?
I'm 36.
You're 36 years old, so you needed to come here today and have her tell you need to behave in jail?
No, ma'am.
This is ridiculous. These people are just going to work and trying to do their job. That's all. That's what the rest of us do. We go to work, we do our job, we go home, we live our lives, and we don't have punks like you acting like this and treating us this way when we're at our job. And the way you have spoken to them and threatened them is actually a violation of the law, and you could end up with more cases for threatening a correctional officer. So just keep going, keep stacking it up. I'm sure a jury later will love to hear all of that. You're looking at 25 to life on one of your cases. And if you think I'm going to take some great deal that they're going to negotiate, or you think Mr. Nichols is going to give you some great deal, it's not happening. So you're old enough to know better. I'm going to deny the motions for a bond reduction based on several factors. Your criminal history, the fact that you did miss court, jail incident reports. I am also going to find in cause number 25 DCCR 1233 that your bond is insufficient. And in that case, I'm going to raise your bond to $100,000. So if you make these 3 bonds, you will be on house arrest. You're not allowed to leave your house unless you have my permission.